Why should you sleep with garlic under your pillow? Well, if your aunt or grandmother hasn't told you this secret yet, you have never tried this remedy, then you are missing a big bet on your sleep. There are some magical properties claimed for this legendary yet humble vegetable. For example, it is claimed garlic can help you have a restful sleep and gives you greater energy for your next day. No wonder why. Due to its antibacterial properties, it can be used to heal small wounds on the surface of the skin. But the real question would be, are there any science-based facts behind it? The answer is yes. Garlic contains several nutrients, including vitamins B6, thiamin, and pantothenic acid, vitamin C, and the dietary minerals, manganese, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and zinc. These nutrients are naturally known for creating a feeling of relaxation, which eventually helps you get some quality sleep. Several medical research studies have investigated the claimed effects of garlic when treating disease. Garlic use increases your physical performance as it helps recharge your energy levels for the next day. Before I tell you how to use garlic under your pillow, you must know garlic and where it comes from. Garlic, scientific name Allium sativum, is a root vegetable species in the onion genus. It is native to Central Asia and northeastern Iran. It has long been used as a source of food flavoring and has been used in traditional medicine since the time of the ancient Egyptians. Now it's the time to tell you how to use garlic under your pillow for better sleep. Putting a fresh clove of garlic beneath your pillow creates a calming effect to help you sleep better at night and wake up feeling refreshed in the morning. You can also eat garlic before bed, but it's recommended to eat it when your stomach is empty. Garlic is good for your skin and offers a variety of other benefits as well. From one garlic bulb, take 1 clove of fresh garlic. Take care not to crush the clove. Retain the paper cover around the clove. Place the clove under your pillow at night. In the morning, remove the clove and discard. Repeat each night. Does it do any harm? No. And it's not too expensive either. But don't leave each clove in place for too long. Change it daily. If you are expecting overnight guests, it's best to remove any traces of garlic and wash the bed linen to remove any lingering garlic aroma. There are many other benefits of garlic. For example, eating garlic can help detoxify heavy metals in the body. In addition, at high doses, the sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect the body against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. So next time you go grocery shopping, do not forget to add some garlic. If you like our video, hit the like and subscribe button to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Here are 2 more videos on the screen you should check out. They'll help you to achieve your health and fitness goals. See you in our next video.